How to create AI photos in Copilot Mobile on iOS or iPhone like you're currently seeing on the screen. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Step 1 is to download Copilot on the App Store. Click the search bar and type in Copilot AI. In this case, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to open it. The next step is to sign in, but if you already have the app, then it's to click the chat box. You can add a picture or an audio. In this case, the text box, you can ask Copilot to create any image that you desire. And once you're satisfied, you can click Done, and you can click Generate, which is the third icon, and wait for this to load as Copilot is going to create a picture or a image. Copilot has created and generated 4 pictures. You can click on one. You can even choose the settings if you would like for different options, and Copilot will recreate that image. If you are happy, you can click Looks Good. On the top right hand screen, you can click the 3 icons and click Download.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.